What's up, YouTube? I'm NASCAR Lord 18 with an unboxing, and I have two of them. Same box. You should know. 40s on this case I'm interested in. Two of these I already have. Anyway, can you guess what they are? Trucks I'm interested in are Max D, Red, Jurassic Track, Color Treads, the Green Gravedigger, and Monster Mutt Rottweiler, X-Ray. Anyway. Oh, yes! Get right up into unboxing these. Nice, simple. Okay, I'm trying to save the box. Look at that. Look at this graph. Look at this graph. Beauty. In the form of a toy truck. Even the spikes are good. Nice, smooth. Debut. Synapse Series 2. That I actually accidentally rhymed. Spikes feel smooth. This truck's debut will be in Synapse Series 2. When people sneeze, they go achoo, which sounds like Pikachu. I don't even know. Anyway. Huh? Hello! Oh. Nope. Darwin.
I'm following the nugget.
Yes. Anyway, on the truck too. Slightly harder to unbox. Oh, that was a perfect one. Like, boom. Can you even tell this was opened? Well, yeah, you can because the truck's gone. Oh. This actually looked like plastic when I first saw it, but it actually looks like metal. But it's actually metal. It's so smooth. Anyway, it's the Green Gravedigger from Synapse Series 15. Nope. From the World Finals 15, which I believe was driven by Charlie Pauken, if I'm right. It just feels so weird, because this is a new tool Gravedigger. In all my life, there's never been a new tool Gravedigger. It's always been the same tool. But the back end's been shortened in. It just feels so weird. And how do I tell? Purple flames. Purple flames. And got the symbol. 4-time champion. Gravedigger. 11-time champion. Max D. Both beautiful trucks. They were the only two copies at the Walmart, which I got these in. Hang on. Is a ramp still in the Gravedigger? What is? Oh man, I forgot. That makes 3 of these orange ramps I have. Oh geez, they like lock together too. That's neat. If I can. If you don't know, they're actually like things. These things have things inside of these things. There are things inside of these things. Sonic Boom. Knuckles from Sonic Boom. 2015. No, 2014. So that makes 4 of these orange techno ramps that I have. Still on the hunt for car ramp, junk ramp, and solid ramp. This one's the car ramp. This one's the one I got 3 times now. This one's the junk ramp because there's like wood and dirt and rocks, and then this one's techno. I want that one the most. Anyway, Thanks for watching. Really helps out. Road to 10 subscribers. Yep. Road to 10. Bye.